Welcome to our travel adventure through the stunning landscapes and vibrant culture of Uganda. Nestled in East Africa, Uganda is often referred to as the Pearl of Africa, and for good reason. This beautiful country is a treasure trove of diverse attractions, from lush rainforests and breathtaking mountains to expansive savannas teeming with wildlife. In this video, we'll take you on a journey to discover the best places to visit in Uganda, showcasing its natural beauty and rich cultural heritage. As we explore Uganda, you'll encounter the majestic mountain gorillas of Bunani Impenetrable National Park, where you can embark on an unforgettable trekking experience. Imagine standing just a few feet away from these incredible creatures in their natural habitat. But that's just the beginning. Uganda is also home to the stunning Murchison Falls, where the Nile River dramatically cascades through a narrow gorge, creating a spectacular sight that will leave you in awe. Throughout this video, we'll delve into Uganda's vibrant culture, highlighting the warm hospitality of its people and the colorful traditions that make this country so unique. From bustling markets to traditional dance performances, there's so much to experience beyond the breathtaking landscapes. So, whether you're an adventure seeker, a wildlife enthusiast, or a culture lover, Uganda has something special for everyone. Join us as we uncover the hidden gems and must-visit destinations that make Uganda a truly unforgettable travel experience. Exploring the Bunani Impenetrable National Park. Bunani Impenetrable National Park is not just a stunning natural wonder. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site that plays a crucial role in the conservation of one of the world's most endangered species, the mountain gorilla. This lush, biodiverse rainforest is home to nearly half of the global population of these magnificent creatures, making it a vital sanctuary for their survival. The park's unique ecosystem, filled with a variety of flora and fauna, highlights the importance of conservation efforts in preserving not only the gorillas but also the rich biodiversity that thrives here. One of the most thrilling experiences you can have in Bunani is tracking mountain gorillas in their natural habitat. Imagine trekking through dense foliage, guided by experienced rangers, as you listen to the sounds of the forest. The anticipation builds as you get closer to the gorillas, and when you finally encounter them, it's a moment of pure magic. Observing these gentle giants interact with each other in their family groups is an experience you'll cherish forever. To make the most of your gorilla trekking adventure, preparation is key. Start by ensuring you have the right gear: sturdy hiking boots, a rain jacket, and plenty of water. It's also wise to pack snacks and a camera to capture the unforgettable moments. Additionally, consider your fitness level, as the treks can be challenging. Finally, remember to respect the gorillas by maintaining a safe distance and following the guidelines provided by your guides. With the right preparation, your journey into Bunani will be an extraordinary adventure filled with unforgettable memories. Discovering the Murchison Falls National Park. Murchison Falls National Park is a true gem in Uganda, showcasing some of the most stunning landscapes and diverse wildlife in the region. At the heart of the park lies the breathtaking Murchison Falls, where the mighty Nile River forces its way through a narrow gorge, creating a spectacular waterfall that plunges over 40 meters. The sight and sound of the water crashing down is nothing short of mesmerizing, making it a must-see for any visitor. The surrounding scenery, with its lush greenery and dramatic cliffs, adds to the park's natural beauty, providing a perfect backdrop for unforgettable memories. But Murchison Falls National Park is not just about its stunning landscapes, it is also home to an incredible variety of wildlife. As you explore the park, keep your eyes peeled for majestic elephants roaming the savanna, powerful lions lounging in the shade, and playful hippos basking in the river. The park is also a haven for birdwatchers, with over 450 species of birds, including the striking shoebill stork, making it a paradise for nature enthusiasts. To truly experience the magic of Murchison Falls, consider embarking on a boat safari along the Nile River. This leisurely cruise allows you to get up close to wildlife as you glide past hippos and crocodiles basking on the banks. Additionally, game drives through the park offer thrilling opportunities to spot the Big Five and other fascinating animals in their natural habitat. With its stunning landscapes and rich wildlife, Murchison Falls National Park promises an unforgettable adventure for every traveler. Experiencing the culture in Kampala. Welcome to Kampala, the vibrant capital city of Uganda, where rich history and lively culture come together to create an unforgettable experience. As you explore this bustling city, you'll discover a variety of cultural sites that showcase Uganda's heritage. One of the must-visit locations is the Uganda Museum, which offers a fascinating glimpse into the country's history, showcasing traditional artifacts, musical instruments, and exhibits that highlight the diverse cultures of Uganda's various ethnic groups. Another significant cultural site is the Kasubi Tombs, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and the burial place of the Baganda kings. This sacred site is not only an architectural marvel but also a symbol of the Baganda kingdom's rich traditions and history. As you walk through the grounds, you'll gain a deeper appreciation for the cultural significance of the site and the customs surrounding it. To truly immerse yourself in Ugandan culture, don't miss the local markets and street food scene. Places like Nakasera Market and Owino Market are bustling with activity, offering everything from fresh produce to handmade crafts. Sampling local delicacies such as Rolex, a delicious rolled chapati with eggs and vegetables, or mataka, steamed green bananas, will tantalize your taste buds and give you a true flavor of Uganda. Finally, engaging with the locals is one of the best ways to gain insights into their traditions and way of life. Whether it's sharing stories with vendors at the market or participating in community events, these interactions will enrich your understanding of Uganda's vibrant culture. So, get ready to dive into the heart of Kampala and experience the warmth and hospitality of its people. Relaxing at Lake Bunani. Nestled in the southwestern region of Uganda, Lake Bunani is a serene getaway that offers the perfect blend of relaxation and adventure. Known for its stunning scenery, this picturesque lake is often regarded as one of the deepest in Africa, reaching depths of over 40 meters. Surrounded by lush hills and dotted with 29 islands, the breathtaking views create a tranquil atmosphere that invites visitors to unwind and soak in the natural beauty. At Lake Bunani, there's no shortage of activities to keep you engaged. One of the most popular ways to explore the lake is by canoeing. Glide across the calm waters as you take in the stunning landscapes and enjoy the peaceful ambiance. Birdwatching is another highlight, with the lake being home to a variety of bird species, including the striking gray-crowned crane. Whether you're an avid birdwatcher or simply enjoy the beauty of nature, you'll find plenty to marvel at. Visiting the local islands is a must-do experience. Each island has its own unique charm, with opportunities to interact with local communities and learn about their traditions. You can also explore the rich cultural heritage of the area, making your visit even more memorable. When it comes to accommodation, Lake Bunani offers a range of options that provide breathtaking views of the lake. From cozy lodges to luxurious resorts, you can find the perfect place to relax and enjoy the serene surroundings. With its stunning scenery and array of activities, Lake Bunani is truly a hidden gem that promises an unforgettable escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Adventuring in Queen Elizabeth National Park. Queen Elizabeth National Park is a true marvel of biodiversity, showcasing a rich tapestry of ecosystems and wildlife that make it one of Uganda's most celebrated national parks. Spanning over 1,978 square kilometers, the park is renowned for its unique features, including the famous tree-climbing lions of the Ishasha sector. These remarkable felines can often be seen lounging in the branches of fig trees, a behavior that sets them apart from their counterparts in other regions and provides a thrilling sight for visitors. The park's diverse habitats range from sprawling savannas to lush wetlands, each supporting a variety of wildlife. In the open grasslands, you can spot herds of elephants, buffalo, and antelope, while the wetlands are home to an array of bird species, including the majestic shoebill stork. The park's rich ecosystems also support a healthy population of hippos and crocodiles, particularly along the banks of the Kazinga Channel, which connects Lake Edward and Lake George. For an unforgettable wildlife viewing experience, consider taking a boat cruise on the Kazinga Channel. This leisurely journey allows you to get up close to the park's diverse wildlife as you glide past hippos basking in the sun and elephants drinking at the water's edge. The boat cruise also offers fantastic opportunities for birdwatching, with numerous species visible along the shores. Whether you're on a game drive, a boat cruise, or simply soaking in the stunning landscapes, Queen Elizabeth National Park promises an adventure filled with incredible wildlife encounters and breathtaking scenery. As we wrap up our journey through Uganda's best places to visit, it's clear that this remarkable country offers a unique blend of natural beauty and cultural richness. From the breathtaking landscapes of Bwindi Impenetrable National Park, where you can trek to see the majestic mountain gorillas, to the stunning Murchison Falls, where the Nile River creates a spectacular display of nature. Uganda is a treasure trove of unforgettable experiences. We also explored the vibrant culture of Kampala, the serene getaway at Lake Bunani, and the diverse ecosystems of Queen Elizabeth National Park, each showcasing the incredible diversity that Uganda has to offer. The key takeaway is that Uganda is not just a destination, it's an adventure waiting to be experienced. Whether you're seeking thrilling wildlife encounters, immersing yourself in rich cultural traditions, or simply enjoying the stunning scenery, Uganda has something for everyone. We encourage you to explore this beautiful country and create your own unforgettable memories. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more travel content, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends and family. Your support helps us bring you more exciting adventures and insights into the world's most incredible destinations. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Uganda, and we hope to see you in our next travel adventure.